Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. More disturbing videos of SK Khoza are surfacing every single day. He was recently spotted in Bela Bela in the Limpopo province wearing the same clothes he's been wearing since the week started, and once again intoxicated as usual, and was soaring at a security guard at Tops liquor store. And once again, his so-called friends were taking videos of him. Check out these videos and please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Suraco! Fuck you! You bitch ass motherfucker! Wait, hold on. You are ridiculous! You are a... Wait, hold on. Wait, no. Hold on. You think I'm getting shit? Fuck you! You are a bitch ass... Wait now. Where now? We stop, man. Where now?
The whole celebrity saw.
You know, I want to be sanitized though first. I want Hey, yeah, I'm gonna take this with my fans. Hold on. Now we're in my. Shout it out. Hey. Come on now, come take this with me.